Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Today, I want to talk about something that concerns many people over 60. With age, our legs can begin to feel weaker, more tired, or unsteady. You may notice that simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing for too long are not as easy as they once were. But I want to assure you, this decline is not something you must simply accept as part of aging. Recent research has shown that certain natural teas can actively help rebuild muscle, improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and restore energy. These teas are completely safe, easy to prepare, and supported by science. For example, studies in the United States that followed thousands of older adults found that those who regularly drank green tea were more likely to maintain better muscle strength and balance as they aged. Even inspiring seniors, such as Orville Rogers, an American track athlete who continued running and competing past 100 years old, credited his daily habits, including a simple cup of tea, as one of the keys to staying strong and active. One powerful tea you can try is ginger turmeric tea. Ginger improves blood flow, so your muscles receive more oxygen, while turmeric reduces inflammation that causes stiffness and pain. Together, they support smoother movement and faster recovery. Adding just a pinch of black pepper greatly increases the benefits of turmeric. With daily use, many people notice their legs feel lighter and more energized. Another remarkable option is ginseng green tea. Ginseng has been used for centuries to fight fatigue and improve stamina. When combined with green tea, it strengthens muscles, improves endurance, and provides steady energy without the crash of coffee. Seniors who drink this tea often find walking, climbing stairs, and daily tasks easier, while also enjoying sharper focus and motivation. Lastly, ashwagandha root tea works in a unique way. It calms stress, lowers harmful cortisol levels, and improves sleep. Good rest is when our muscles repair and grow stronger. So this tea directly supports recovery. Seniors who use it regularly report improved balance, steadier legs, and more peace of mind. These three teas, ginger turmeric, ginseng green, and ashwagandha root, are more than just warm beverages. They are simple tools to help you reclaim strength, stability, and energy. Consistency is key. 1 cup a day can bring steady, lasting improvements. You deserve to move with confidence and enjoy your life fully. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more simple, research-based health tips designed just for you.